Are you ready to unleash the inner nail artist in you? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through step-by-step process of creating stunning Gel X nail sets at home. So let's get started. Here's my Gel X kit. I have everything in this case right here. I'll have it linked down below in the description box for you, along with all of the products that I'm using today. So here are the nails that I'm using. I was thinking about doing an almond shape, but later on you'll see that I will cut these down. But I love these nails because they fit perfect with my nails, and I don't have to do filing on the side to get them to fit the shape of my nails. Like, I can find a nail that fits my nail perfectly. But if you do have that issue where some of the nails you can't get the perfect nail size, use your file to drill to get it to fit your nail, if you understand what I'm saying. So the first thing I like to do is, after I choose the nail size, I like to go in and buff the inside of the nail. By doing this, you are creating some roughness that will help the nails adhere to your nails and last longer. I'm also going around the edges and just slightly sanding down the nail, and this is just going to help when I apply the nail to my natural nails to make it look more seamless. This step is very important, and it plays a crucial part into how long your nails will last. So take your time with prepping each nail, and after prepping the nails, this is how your nails should look. So it should look nicely buffed. And then after doing all the nails, I like to transition into preparing my nails. So with this, I like to go in with this cuticle. It's like a softener. I wanted to do this video because it was highly requested, but this tool right here is great for like picking up that dead skin that's on your nails, and you want to like remove that first layer of that first layer on your nails and just really clean that cuticle up and buff your nails. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just pushing back all of that skin. Y'all see all that skin? Like, girl, one thing I've realized with doing my nails at home is very therapeutic. Like, I enjoy doing my nails at home. So now I take this little tool right here, and I'm just going to clip away that dead skin, that dry skin. And you really want to be careful with this step and not damage your nails. But like I was saying, I find it very therapeutic because when I used to get my nails done at the salon, I would be sitting there thinking of all the things I could be doing other than getting my nails done. But when I'm doing it myself, it's just like, I don't know, I turn on my show and I'm just into it. I'm into it, and I'm also saving money in the end, and you can't beat that, okay? So as you can see, I'm just going nail by nail, taking my time and just cutting that dead skin away. A new step that I've been doing is this step right here, and I take this drill bit and I just go around my cuticle, and it just helps to pick up any of the extra skin that I left and just give my cuticles like a nice clean up. And with this drill bit, I like to go ahead and buff off the first layer, and it just I just can't even talk. It just adds some roughness to my nails, and this is the trick to like really getting your nails to stay. So these two products right here, I'll have a link down below, but it's the nail prep dehydrator and the nail primer. You want to use the dehydrator first, and I do like to go in with like alcohol or acetone before I even apply these products, but I didn't have any like right by me, so I skipped that step. But you want to apply your dehydrator first and then do a thin layer of the primer. And I also like to take a little primer in the inside of the nail. The nails that we prepped in the beginning, I put a little primer in the inside of the nails. So now I'm pulling out my gel lamp because it's time to start applying some gel. So this is the nail glue. I like to do a thin layer on my nails first before applying the nails, and I cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds. These clips right here in particular are in real time. I did not speed them up or slow them down, but I want you to see how slow I'm going and how I'm just taking my time, because you don't want to get the nail glue all over like your skin. You really want to make sure you are getting it on the nail, and if you do get any on your skin, go in with some acetone like around the nail to remove it before you cure it. But now I'm just going in the inside of the nail. I'm sorry I'm out of frame, but I just brush some in the inside, and then I'm just going to take like a clump, like a big clump, and apply it to the middle of the nail. And right here I'm just pressing the nail down, and I have like this little lamp right here where I hold it for at least 15 seconds and I let it cure. But I do have like another clip which gives you a better view of how I apply the gel to the inside of the nail. But I'm just holding this nail here. I like to turn my finger around and get the inside, but this is how it should look. And this time around, I actually tried a new technique. This is not the way I've been doing my nails, because I started doing my nails in October of 2022. And this time I was just like, let me try something different, because I'm always looking for like new updated ways to do my nails. So I wanted to try this way out, where basically I left like a little space between my cuticle and where I applied the nail, and in between that area I'm actually applying the nail glue. And I actually like the way that this technique came. So you just really want to take your time right here and fill in that area. So I just took like some big like clumps of the nail glue, and I'm just spreading it out and just brushing it downward. So I do want to do another tutorial showing you how I like to do it the other way, where you just place the nail like close to your cuticle and you don't have to fill it in with the nail glue. I hope you guys are following me and understanding what I am saying, but this is what I'm talking about. I brush some, and then I just take the remaining that's on the brush and just put it in the middle, just like a big clump in the middle. You're gonna see me do it right here. So a big clump in the middle. I didn't show you this step when I did my thumb, but before I applied that nail glue in the middle between my cuticle and where I placed the nail, I did go in and sand the beginning right there of the nail down, just to make it look more seamless. And when I apply the gel, it just adheres better and it's more seamless. So I do that, and then I go in with gel, the nail gel, and I apply it in the area, as you can see. So I just take a clump and I just brush it downward. I'm just filling in that area between the cuticle and where I placed the nail. Like I said earlier, you want to try not to get these products on your skin, but if you do, just take a small brush and some acetone and just clean up the area before curing it. But after curing it, I go in with my acetone and just clear off the stickiness. So here's what my nails look like, y'all. They look so good. And now I'm just going around the cuticle, like close to my cuticle, and I'm just cleaning up that area and just sanding everything down. I absolutely love this drill bit right here for going around the cuticle. I just feel like it really gets in there and just cleans up the area. And I just started using this one. I realized that, this one is really good for cleaning up around the cuticle. So now I decided to do something a little shorter, because baby, I had a lot of things to do, and I was like, these long nails just was not going to cut it. So I like this nail clipper. I'll link it down below. But I'm just going to cut them. I wasn't measuring them, you guys. I was just eyeballing them. And now I'm just going to file the sides, just get the right shape that I want, and get my nails, straight and the lengths matching as close as possible. this step is really important. You want to make sure you buff the nail after you use the file. So I buff the top of the nail, and then I also go in and buff like the sides, because the nails can tend to be very, very sharp. And I've had moments where I kind of like skip this step, and then I go to like doing something with the girls, and then like my nails may scratch them. But you really want to make sure you buff after you file. So this is me doing the other hand, and then I realized, I was like, oh, I was not using my glove when I was working with my other hand. So I apply my glove, and this is just like a protector for your hands. But this is the color that I'm doing today, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I did a little design. I did this set right before Christmas, so I did do like a little deer on my nails, but I'm going to show you how I did it. One of my favorite colors, and my favorite nail polishes are D&D. I just feel like the quality of this polish is just top tier. Absolutely love it. But I do want to get some, different polishes, just to see if it's anything else out there that I may like, because these polishes can be a little pricey if we just being honest. But I felt like this color really screamed holidays. But y'all know Valentine's Day is coming up, and I live to pop out with some red nails for Valentine's Day, so this would be a great color for that occasion as well. So I'm just doing one light layer. I'm going to cure it, and then I'm going to do another layer, cure that, and then I'm going to show you how I applied like the deer sticker on my nail for some design. Before applying the sticker, I did wipe the layer of stickiness off. So these stickers right here are from Amazon. You can find like a whole lot of different designs on there, but you want to be careful. You want to make sure you try to get the placement right before you stick it on, because I made that mistake to sticking it on, and then part of it was stuck, and I ended up having to file that design off because it would not lift up. So after I got it off, I went ahead and pulled up another sticker to try it again. This time I was a little bit more cautious and took my time and got the placement together before like sticking it on. So I'm going to stick it on, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a top layer of my clear gel, like the top coat, and baby, we are basically done. That is how I do my Gel X nails, and these typically last 2 to 3 weeks. I haven't had them to last any longer than that. I'm still trying to perfect my technique and find different ways to get them to last longer than 3 weeks if that's possible. If you guys have any tips, tricks, or any other steps that you guys do that you found that are beneficial for you, definitely let me know down below in the comment section. Let's help each other out. So this is me going in with the top coat, and then I'm going to cure it for another 60 seconds. Y'all, this is one of my favorite reds because it's just so bright, baby. And it's just like, bam, here I am. Like, yes, you see the nails. Yes, you see them. That's what it's giving me, and I absolutely love it. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something. I hope you found this video very beneficial. Go ahead and join the family. Hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload new content, so you can continue to follow along, and I will be posting more nail tutorials for you guys. But this is the finished look. I'm gonna add some oil to my hands, and we are done, baby. They came out so nicely.